Now we are going to start a new topic, and new topic is excretory system. In the last videos we are discussing about the many types of system like digestive system, blood circulatory system, respiratory system, and first of all discussing about the excretory system, that is required to we know about the what is excretion. What is excretion? Removal of the waste product. Removal of waste product from our body is called the excretion, and this system is take part. The system which is take part, responsible for the removing of these waste products. This system is called the excretory system. This system is called the excretory system, and many types of organs are responsible for excretion like lungs, liver, and skin, kidney. Lungs, skin, liver, kidney. These are the excretory organs. Excretory organs. And on the basis of excretory substance, the organisms are mainly three types. One is ammonotelic. Second one is ureotelic. Third one is uricotelic. First, ammonotelic. In the ammonotelic organism, the waste product is ammonia. The waste product is ammonia. And example of these animals are amphibians. Amphibians like frog and fish. These are the ammonotelic, that is aquatic animals. Frog is also amphibians because that is live in the land and water also, so it is called the amphibians. And fish is mainly the aquatic animals. And the plenty of water is required to remove to remove ammonia from body. Plenty of water. So these animals are called ammonotelic. And ureotelic, and the waste product is urea. And moderate amount of water is required to remove urea from the body. And example of these animals are like mammals. So these animals are called ureotelic. And uricotelic, the excretory product is uric acid. And negligible amount of water is required to remove uric acid from the body. And uric acid is the main product. Example like reptiles and birds. These animals are called uricotelic animals. Uricotelic. These are the mainly three types of animals. In the basis of excretory substance. And now we are talking about the human excretory system. Human excretory system. When we talk about the human excretory system, the parts, first of all we talk about the parts of human excretory system. Human excretory system composed of any basic elements of first kidney, second one is ureters, third urinary bladder, fourth is urethra, kidney, one pair kidney, uterus one pair, and single is urinary bladder and urethra is present. When we see this picture is like this. This one is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is urethra. Kidney. Outer part is cortex and inner part is medulla. This is pelvis, girdle of pelvis. Renal vein, renal artery, I make is a roughly diagram only to describe about the parts of the kidney. This is one is kidney, this one is kidney, and renal vein, renal artery, pelvis, medulla, cortex, urinary bladder, urethra, and ureter. This is called the ureter. And kidney excretory system is human excretory system is composed of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter. One is here and second one is here. Ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. And when we talk about the kidney, kidney is the main excretory organ. Kidney is the main excretory organ of the excretory system. Kidney remove about 70 to 80% liquid waste from the body. Kidney control the volume of liquid in the body. Kidney are situated in the abdominal cavity. In the abdominal cavity, location of kidney yani in the abdominal cavity and present on the left and right of vertebral column below the stomach. This one is the location, a situation of the kidney. There is a construction in the kidney, in the middle of kidney is called the hilum. Construction, this one part is this part, this part, this part. There is construction in the middle of the kidney is called the hilum. Is called the hilum. Construction of middle is kidney is called the hilum. Ureter, nerves and blood vessels. Ureters, this one is ureters. Nerves and blood vessels enter in the kidney near the hilum part, this one part. And there is funnel shaft is pelvis toward the inner side of the hilum, towards the inner side of the hilum. Each kidney is divided into the two parts. One part is cortex and second is the medulla. Cortex is the outer part and medulla is the inner part. Each kidney is composed of number in lakhs of filtering units, and filtering unit is called the nephrons. Filtering unit of the kidney is called the nephrons. And you can say that the nephron is the functional unit of kidney. Functional unit of the kidney. And it is composed of Bowman capsule, Bowman's capsule and renal tubule. And renal tubules and Bowman capsule. This is the main part, that is kidney of the human excretory system, and next part we are discussing in the next video. Thanks, have a nice day.